The 8 main parts of speech. Noun. These are words that name people, places, things, ideas, or qualities. Examples: dog, Jaipur Aman School, city, happiness, table. Sentence: the cat sat on the mat. Pronouns. These words replace nouns to avoid repetition. Examples: he, she, it, they, we, you. Sentence: she went to the store and they joined her later. Verbs. These words describe actions, states of being, or occurrences. Examples: run, eat, is, become, think. Sentence: the birds sing beautifully. I am tired. Adjectives. These words describe or modify nouns and pronouns, giving more information about their qualities. Examples: red, happy, large, beautiful. Sentence: he bought a new car. The tall building stood out. Adverbs. These words modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, telling us how, when, where, why, to what extent, or how often something happens. Examples: quickly, yesterday, here, very, always. Sentence: she sings beautifully. He ran very quickly. Prepositions. These words show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence, often indicating location, direction, or time. Examples: in, on, at, under, with, from. Sentence: the book is on the table. She walked to the park. Conjunctions. These words connect words, phrases, or clauses. Examples: and, but, or, so, because. Sentence: I like coffee and tea. She wanted to go, but she was busy. Interjections. These are words or phrases that express strong emotion or surprise, often standing alone. Examples: wow, ouch, oh no, hello. Sentence: ouch. That hurt. Hey! Look at that.